In recent years, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have transformed modern warfare. Among them, the Bayraktar TB2 drone has emerged as a game-changer, offering advanced capabilities and outstanding performance on the battlefield. Developed by Turkish defense company Baykar, the Bayraktar TB2 has gained worldwide attention for its impressive design, cutting-edge technology, and successful operational deployments. This comprehensive documentary video explores the various aspects of this remarkable drone. Design and specifications. The Bayraktar TB2 boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design, optimized for improved flight performance and increased endurance. It features a high wing configuration with a blended wing body design, offering enhanced stability and maneuverability. The drone's composite materials construction ensures a lightweight structure without compromising durability. With a wingspan of 12 meters and a length of 6.5 meters, the Bayraktar TB2 has a maximum takeoff weight of 650 kilograms. Its advanced aerodynamic design allows for efficient long-endurance flights. The Bayraktar TB2 incorporates state-of-the-art technology and systems, contributing to its exceptional operational capabilities. It utilizes a triple redundant flight control system, enabling autonomous takeoff, landing, and navigation. The drone is equipped with an advanced avionics suite, including an inertial navigation system, global navigation satellite system, and autopilot. This combination ensures precise and stable flight performance even in challenging environmental conditions. Additionally, the Bayraktar TB2 employs encrypted communication systems, safeguarding data integrity and mitigating the risk of interception. The Bayraktar TB2 carries a range of payloads and armaments, enhancing its versatility on the battlefield. Its primary payload is the Roketsan MAM-L, smart micro-munition, laser-guided bomb, which has a range of up to 8 kilometers. The MAM-L is equipped with a high-resolution TV seeker and provides pinpoint accuracy in targeting various objects, including armored vehicles, buildings, and fortifications. The drone can carry up to 4 MAM-Ls simultaneously, enabling multiple precision strikes in a single mission. Additionally, the Bayraktar TB2 can be equipped with the Roketsan MAM-C, Smart Micro-Munition C, variant, designed for anti-ship operations. The Bayraktar TB2 has demonstrated exceptional operational capabilities in a variety of missions. It excels in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) operations, providing real-time situational awareness to ground forces. Its EO/IR camera and laser designator enable effective target acquisition and tracking. Moreover, its precision strike capabilities make it a formidable weapon against high-value targets. The drone's endurance of over 24 hours allows for extended missions, contributing to enhanced operational efficiency and effectiveness. Development and production. The development of the Bayraktar TB2 began in the early 2010s when Baykar's engineers embarked on an ambitious project to create a cutting-edge UAV. The drone underwent rigorous testing and evaluation, including flight trials and simulated combat scenarios. Continuous refinement and improvements led to the successful entry into service. Baykar established a state-of-the-art production facility in Turkey to meet the increasing demand for the Bayraktar TB2. The company employs advanced manufacturing techniques and quality control processes to ensure the production of reliable and high-performance drones. The Bayraktar TB2 has been deployed in various conflict zones worldwide, proving its effectiveness in real-world scenarios. It played a pivotal role in operations in Syria, Libya, and Azerbaijan, providing crucial support to ground forces and effectively neutralizing enemy targets. The drone's capabilities have attracted the attention of many countries, leading to an increased interest in acquiring similar systems to bolster their own defense capabilities. The successful operational deployments of the Bayraktar TB2 have reshaped the battlefield dynamics and demonstrated the significant impact of UAVs in modern warfare. Future developments and upgrades. Baykar continues to invest in the development of the Bayraktar TB2, aiming to enhance its performance and capabilities. Future developments may focus on improving payload capacity, extending endurance through advanced propulsion systems, and enhancing communication systems for better command and control capabilities. Upgrades could also include the integration of artificial intelligence (AI) algorithms for autonomous decision-making and enhanced target recognition capabilities. Controversies and criticisms. The use of armed drones, including the Bayraktar TB2, has sparked controversies and raised ethical concerns. Critics argue that the increasing reliance on unmanned systems in warfare blurs the boundaries between combatants and civilians, potentially leading to unintended civilian casualties. Furthermore, the ability of armed drones to conduct remote operations raises questions about the psychological impact on operators and the potential devaluation of human life in warfare. It is crucial to address these concerns and establish clear guidelines and regulations for the responsible use of armed drones in conflicts. The Bayraktar TB2 has revolutionized the field of drone warfare with its advanced design, cutting-edge technology, and outstanding operational capabilities. Its successful deployments have showcased the drone's ability to provide critical support and alter the course of conflicts. As the development of armed drones continues, it is essential to carefully consider the ethical implications and ensure responsible use to maintain global security and stability. The Bayraktar TB2 serves as a testament to the significant impact UAVs can have on modern warfare, emphasizing the need for ongoing dialogue and regulation to address emerging challenges. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the Bayraktar TB2 drone. May this documentary deepen your understanding of its capabilities and inspire further discussions on the future of unmanned aerial systems.